Hey, before we get started, I just want to get something off my chest. I am doing this for you, the person watching, whether you are an agent, you are somebody that's looking to buy or sell today, looking to just stay current on the market, whatever it is. I'm doing this for you. I've got a lot of other things to do, honestly. I've shown houses today. I'm about to go show another house. I've written some offers today. Things are busy. And I take the time out to get the data to share with you. Now, obviously, by the time I share it with you, I've already got it for myself. I've got it to share with my team. But that's also why I do these videos, is so that I can send it to my team so that they can get this and they can be knowledgeable. So team, if you're watching this, thank you. Please like and share it with somebody that you are talking to. And for everybody else, if you haven't already, please like this content, share it with somebody. You never know who might be looking for this information. So with that said, my name is Jason. I'm the founder of Turn the Key RE, and this is our weekly market update in Placer County. And I do this every week to give you an idea of what is happening here in Placer County. What's the activity like in the market? What's selling, what's not, what's sitting, all of that good stuff. And after giving you all of the data, I will also give you some of the peek into what's actually selling, what that looks like, what that median home looks like. And also, which is always fun, what's the most expensive listing to hit the market here in Placer County. So with that, let's get into it. Active homes on the market is 231. That is down from last week of 293. So it's safe to say we've hit our peak. Buyers, if you were holding off, waiting for a lower interest rate, whatever it is, you now have less to choose from. You should have been looking a month and a half ago, but don't wait until there's even less inventory next month or the month after. Certainly don't wait until next year, because rates are going to be higher or lower by then, but prices will be higher. So the math doesn't math to wait. So we've got 124 new homes to hit the market. That is also down from 143. So we've got 120 homes in a pending status, which is down from 134. You're seeing a trend here. Back on market is 22, which is down from 38. Listings closed was 90, and that was down from 106. And price drops is 95. It's down from 125. Obviously, there's less homes on the market to have a price drop. And so with that, 95 of 231, that is, well, it's well over 30%. That's closer to 50. Jeez, about 42% is going to be my guess there. So, I mean, things are shifting. We continue to talk about it. Things are shifting. Now, if you are looking to sell, still a good time to do that, obviously, because there is less inventory. There's still a demand for people looking to buy a home. What's the median look like? It's still 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Square footage is 2,031. Lot size 0.17. And your built is 2,000. List price is $662,495. I believe that's down from last week. And closed price is $670,000. Days on market, the median grew by a day. So it's 13, as well as the average is now 29. So the average days on market it's a month, basically. If it was a leap year in February, it's a month. So that's shifted. You know, it used to be 22 days. So things are changing. 68% of the homes that sold in the first 30 days did so at 100.78. And so price right, you're going to sell it. Or if you do a price adjustment, you're probably going to get some activity, and then you can sell it. All right. And so let's get into what does the median home look like. So this one here, it was funny when I pulled this one up. It's actually the same name as one of my clients. So Peyton, if you are watching, This one is 629 Hovi Way here in Roseville. This one closed for $675,000, so very close to that median price. It was originally listed at $680,000, so 99.26%. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2103 square feet, built in 1988. Let's check out what it has to say about this one. Summer's dream home. Welcome to the stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bath home spanning 2,103 square feet. Enjoy beautiful flooring throughout with new carpet recently installed upstairs. The updated kitchen boasts sleek quartz countertops and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Relax in the inviting family room, complete with a cozy fireplace. The downstairs bedroom and updated full bathroom provide perfect privacy for guests. Upstairs, you'll find brand new carpet and a spacious primary suite with a custom designed bathroom. Ample linen space and plenty of storage add to the home's convenience. The backyard is an oasis for family fun, featuring a built-in pool and spa. Modern light fixtures and fans have been meticulously chosen to enhance the home's contemporary feel. Situated in a family-friendly Roseville neighborhood, this home is close to excellent schools, parks, shopping, and dining. So this one's listed by Better Homes and Gardens, by the way. Let's take a peek at it. So nice home from the curb that would appeal to some, hence the pun. And then we've got our pictures here as we walk through. See here the flooring that they talk about. So beautiful dark flooring, and it accents well with this staircase here, as well as the appliances in this kitchen. Very beautiful, very updated, modern looking. So let's kind of skip through here. A little tri-level it looks like as well. Yep. There's the cozy fireplace that it speaks of, and yeah, just updated all throughout the bathroom. And it's nice that it has that downstairs bedroom as well. And then you've got your primary bathroom updated, large and modern. Not sure why they didn't paint those extra rooms. But backyard here, it is a retreat. You've got this deck here. It looks like it's very well done. A little bit of lawn for some kiddos to play or dogs to go hang out, do their thing. And a nice pool to relax in as we've been experiencing ridiculous heats. It's finally cooled down today, but I think we're back into the hundreds tomorrow. Yeah, so great pool, great entertaining backyard, and lots of things to do there. So that is what closed for that median price. Now let's take a peek at the most expensive property to hit the market. This one hit the market at, it's in Los Lagos, Granite Bay, and it's listed for $2.55, listed by Mimi Nassif Luxury Estates. And this one here is 4-bedroom, 5 bathrooms, 4,125 square feet on 1.27 acres, built in 2020. So let's take a peek at what it says here. Elegant 1-story estate with spectacular views, located in prestigious Los Lagos community on 1.27 acres, 4,125 square feet estate with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, built in 2020. Open floor plan blending modern design with timeless elegance. The gourmet kitchen featuring a 48 wolf range, 36-inch side-by-side sub-zero fridge, and double islands with a granite waterfall edge and 2 dishwashers. Granite countertops extend to the dining room, complemented by vaulted beam ceilings in the family room. Additional culinary delights await in the prep kitchen. Hardwood, tile, and carpet flooring guide you through the residence to an oversized 5-car garage with epoxy flooring. Upgrades include big folding door that opens up to the covered patio with drop-down electronic phantom screen, a whole house vacuum, 2 tankless water heaters, a built-in barbecue, outdoor fireplace, and folding glass window from the wet bar to the covered patio. 3rd dishwasher, as if you don't have enough already, at the bar with sub-zero wine fridge and separate ice maker. outdoor shower, private side gate, and a captivating saltwater lap pool with a large heated spa. Master Suite is a luxurious retreat with tile flooring, quartz countertops, spacious office, and hardwood floors, built-in cabinets, 10 fruit trees. The entertainer's dream has it all. Welcome home. I hope there's a lot of keywords that help this post to really get some traction, because I want to have some viewers, right? Share this. But anyways, let's take a peek. Yes, I'm on one today. Let's take a peek at this house. Just beautiful from the moment you walk up or drive up. Large front yard, beautiful pool here in the back like it talks about. Definitely inviting. The fire pit at the end. You've got the living room with the stackable doors, giving you that indoor-outdoor feel, which on a day like today, where the high is 80, I've seen so many posts, people opening up their house. That would be amazing to have the opportunity to do that. You've got beautiful views from both inside and outside. And then like it talked about, you've got the beautiful beams throughout. Doesn't have too many pictures of all of the different dishwashers, obviously, but just very oversized, very large, wide walkways throughout here. You've got your beautiful kitchen with all of the appliances, your prep kitchen here as well. And you talk about an open kitchen living room. I would get a much bigger TV there so you can watch the Niners win all season. You've got your large walk-in closets here, bedrooms, and again back to that backyard. Just a gorgeous oasis, little swing too, that's cute. So all yours for $2.55 million. Let me know if you have any questions. 916-953-1100 is the best way to get a hold of me. So that's that. Again, thank you for watching. If you are watching this far, please click the subscribe button, click the like button, share this with somebody, share it with everybody. Just get the word out. Let's share some of the knowledge of what's happening in our market, because there's a lot. And if you have any comments, questions, please drop those below. I'd be happy to reach out to you and connect on a one-on-one basis. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.